Be sure to give her a like. Great bass demo. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Well, I like this. Nice, looks good. If they go up, yeah. That's a lot quieter. So what's your name and what's in here, ma'am?
My name is Samantha. I have 2 Crossfire XT3018s, and they're on 2 SCV 4Ks.
Okay, very nice. Wow. Well, this is a deep box.
Yes.
Is this considered a bandpass or a ported? Or do you know what the box is?
It's a parallel 6.
Okay, very nice. Who built it?
I built it.
You did, very nice, okay. I always ask because some people you never know. I like it, and the fur design, I'm sure it flexes a lot. Looks really good. What are your amps wired to on the subs? The impedance on them, are they 1 ohm, half ohm, 0.6?
I think they're
Half ohm, okay. Nice. And your electrical, battery, alternator power?
Sorry. The alternator is a 320 Autotech, and the battery, I have a 120 amp hour Yinglong.
Yinglong, okay. Very nice. I like it. Yeah, I would love to hear it. Very nice. It looks good. Did a good job building it into the vehicle. Was it a slide-in or did you build in and panel it off?
Oh no, we built it in the vehicle.
Okay.
It was tight fit there.
Oh yeah, definitely. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Yeah, we can put the windows. I always do that for the info. Nice wrap. We go look at the back. Is the back open? The power? Okay. Awesome. Nice door pods. Yeah, looks good. Take a picture real quick if you want to be in it or not. Sorry. Is it okay if I put the seat up?
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry. Just get a better angle.
You're really trying to get a good picture.
I do it in every video.
I know.
Be sure to give her a like. Great bass demo. Today's video is sponsored by NVX, and I've got a little subwoofer here for you to check out. The VCW 8-inch subwoofer with a 14mm one-way X-Max carbon fiber cone and a really stout motor structure for an 8-inch subwoofer. Definitely recommend checking out all details in the description to learn more about this. It has a 2.5-inch 4-layer high-temp black voice coil with a 124-ounce triple stack magnet with a frequency range of 20 to 200 Hz and dual progressive roll bolt-on spiders with integrated braided leads.
Struggle within himself and his demons. Then he told me the more that he started to understand his demons, the more that he started to love them. know something is wrong, that is just not right.
Made me sneeze a little. Bass tickles your nose. I'm sorry. Very nice job. I really like it. I appreciate the demo.
Of course.
Really different, unique design. What was it called again? The way
Parallel 6.
Parallel 6. Nice. I like the way.
Designed by Jester.
Jester. Okay. Did a really good job. I like it. Nice to meet you. Your name?
Samantha.
Samantha. Okay, Samantha. Thank you.